Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's edition of Programming Wizards. Today we're going to talk about list navigation, okay, in Android. We're going to see a situation whereby you can see here we have our simple app. You can see the list, okay, so that the user can navigate probably through different sections of the site via a simple drop down list, just like a spinner, okay. So you can also see here we have the title, then the subtitle, then the logo, then the back button. So guys, please fire up your Eclipse. I'm using Eclipse. You can also use Android Studio or any IDE that you use, so that we get started. So guys, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to implement action bar dot on navigation listener. Okay, we're going to implement action bar dot on navigation listener. Then after that one, we shall need to implement some methods. Just click add, implement. This one shall add on navigation item selected. So then come to our on create method. The first thing that we shall do is that we shall get the action bar. So just say get action bar, and this one we'll do by saying action bar AB is equal to get action bar. Okay, then the second thing, remember we want our home button to be clickable. So say make home btn clickable, and that one I shall do is simple. I shall just say dot set home button, then I pass through. After that one, we shall also need to set the up arrow button. Okay, so say ab dot set display, okay, home button enabled, and then we shall also pass it to true. Then I shall set set title and subtitle. So that one also we just come and say ab dot set title, and then over there we pass let me just call it something simple like my title, and then after that one we set the subtitle. Let's set subtitle. I'll just welcome the viewer, so I'll just say welcome, and say that one we've set the home button. Then after that one we'll now need to deal with the list. So I'll come, the first thing that we shall do is that we shall apply the appropriate theme to the action bar. So let me just comment it. Apply theme to action bar item. So for that one, I'll first of all need a context object. So I'll say context C equals to get action bar. Okay, I'll say get action bar dot get theme context. Okay, get action bar dot get theme context. Yeah, so this one shall give us the context object. Okay, now what we shall do, the next thing, we shall create an array adapter. So say array adapter string, I'll just call it adapter equals to new array adapter. Okay, now for the context we shall pass the context that we've just created. Okay, then after the context, the resource, we shall say Android. No, this one should be C. Then you shall say Android dot R dot layout dot simple. We shall use the spinner dot simple or spinner item. Then that one shall give us the okay. We shall also pass the values, okay, the values that will be populated in the spinner. So I'll just bring it down here to make it visible. So I should just use an array. We shall just use a string array. So inside the string array we shall have news. After the news we shall also have science, then politics. News, science and politics. These are the things that will be contained in the drop down. You can put any number you like. So that one, once we've gotten our adapter, now we shall set the drop down view resource. So come and say adapter dot set a drop down view resource. Then we pass over the resource there, which is Android. Okay, Android dot layout, Android dot R, I mean dot layout dot simple spinner, simple spinner drop down item. Okay, then once we've done that one, now remember what we'll do next is that we have to attach the listener, because probably we want that if an item is selected, something happens. Okay, so we come to attach listener. So just say get action bar dot set list a navigation callback. Okay, then inside there the first thing that we pass is the adapter, then the context, which is this, sorry, this context. Okay, then so far we have signed everything, but still it won't be visible. We have to set the nav mode for it to be visible. So just come and say get action bar, okay, dot set navigation mode. Then we say action bar, okay, then action bar dot, just a minute, action bar dot nav mode. Of course it's the list. Okay, so after this one, guys, we have our thing. We can now run it and see. Yeah, so guys, here is our list. Okay, this navigation item. Okay, so guys, hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Please, if you have subscribe to this video, like it, okay, share it with your care. See you next time.